Let's talk about some of the common mistakes that a lot of us make when it comes to cream makeup. And I'm guilty of it too. When I first started with this makeup, I was doing it all wrong. I was doing it like my traditional makeup. I was putting my highlight on all over my face and then adding the other products on top. It was weeks before I knew I was doing it wrong. So I just want to share the most common mistakes I see so that you really get the most out of your makeup. First thing is there's probably going to be an adjustment period for you and your skin getting used to this makeup, especially if you've come from like a powder foundation. It definitely feels different on your skin, but in the best way possible. It's just your skin may need time to adjust. So give it a week or two if you're feeling like maybe it's a little bit tacky on your skin or your skin is a little bit more shiny than normal, your skin will adjust. Now, if you do feel like it's tacky or sticky, it could be that you've applied too much. Common problem because we're so used to having to add more to get better coverage, where when it comes to cream, less is more because it's already so pigmented. You don't need to add more to get that coverage. Second, moisturizer. If you're feeling like your skin is a little bit more dewy or shiny than you like, skip the morning moisturizer until your skin adjusts to this makeup, and then you can add it back in. If you ever feel like your makeup is almost slipping on your skin, it could be that there's silicone in the products that you're using prior to your makeup application. It is a very common ingredient in moisturizers, sunscreens, primers. If you feel like your makeup is slipping, definitely reach out to me and I will help you figure out why that's happening and what product is doing it. It's just that silicone is a very slippery ingredient and putting cream on it just makes it slide around. Another common question is, do I need a primer? I recommend that you don't use a primer. Like, get used to the makeup on your skin, see how it does, and then we can talk whether or not you need a primer. Primers work really good if you have oily skin or dry skin, you have a lot of skin texture, or you have a lot of discoloration. Sometimes we need a primer for those areas, but not all the time. Definitely reach out. I can help you decide for your skin type if you do need a primer. When it comes to the makeup looking patchy or flaky, it could be that your skin is just dry and your skin needs to adjust to having that makeup on. A little exfoliation will help. I personally like to dermaplane, which is shave my face, but it could also be that the color is off. So I always ask for after so I can see the color on your skin to make sure that you have the absolute perfect color for your skin tone. Don't hesitate to send me your after selfie so I can see the makeup on you. When it comes to applying your makeup, if you're using a brush, the thing you want to do is tap into your compact and then apply it. And also apply it with your fingers. But the key is you want to be tapping. You don't need to do this. You want to tap because it may not seem like you have anything on the brush, but you do. Cream makeup is so ultra pigmented. A little goes a long way. Also, your contour is going to be a thicker consistency than your highlight colors. A richer pigment, it's meant to be a little bit stiffer almost because where you put it is where you want it to stay. And you can put it on as rich as you want or with the softest amount possible. So those are most of the common questions and concerns that I hear. If there's anything at all that you're having an issue with, please reach out. That is what I'm here for. This makeup is different than all the makeup that we've tried to this point. And so there is a bit of a learning curve and some of us are slower than others. I promise. You know, if you pick it up quick or you're a little bit slower like me, it is fine because I'm here to help you. So don't ever hesitate to reach out. My phone number and email are on here. Send me a text, send me an email, join my beauty group. There's all kinds of tips and tricks in there, but just know that I'm here for you every step of the way.